In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a MoneyGram account. By the end, you'll be ready to use all the features MoneyGram offers, from quick money transfers to efficient bill payments. So, let's get started on this quick and simple journey. First, open up your Chrome browser. This is generally the most straightforward choice due to its compatibility and efficiency. It should already be a familiar tool to you, making it a great starting point for any online activity. Next, you'll want to type in MoneyGram.com into the address bar. Hitting enter will take you directly to their homepage. You should see a clean, user-friendly interface designed to guide you through their services. Once on the site, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll find a Sign Up button there. By clicking this, you're initiating the process of creating your very own MoneyGram account, opening up a world of fast and secure transactions. Now, on the sign up page, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure the email address you use is one you access regularly, since you'll be receiving important notifications here. Next, it's time to create a strong password. A mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters is recommended to enhance your account security. On this page, fill in your personal details such as your name, contact information, and any other required fields. Be thorough and accurate. This information is crucial for the verification process and ensures you can use MoneyGram services effortlessly. After entering your details, you'll see an option to accept the terms and conditions. It's always a good practice to read these terms, as they outline what you can expect from MoneyGram and, in turn, what is expected from you as a user. Once you've reviewed and accepted the terms, go ahead and click the Create Account button to move forward. Almost there. The final step requires you to verify your email. Head over to your inbox where you should have received an email from MoneyGram. If it isn't there, immediately be sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it got filtered out. The email will contain a verification link. Clicking this link is vital as it confirms your email address and completes your account setup. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully created your MoneyGram account and are ready to explore the multiple services they offer. Whether you're transferring money to family and friends or paying bills, your new MoneyGram account is ready to facilitate your financial transactions swiftly and securely. Thanks for tuning in, and happy transacting.